Hi, assalamu alaikum, Halalia Eats here, filming for Feed the Lion. So I'm just at Junction House in Seminyak, Bali, which is located right at the heart of Seminyak Square, in the middle and the thick of all the hustle and the bustle. Their menu boasts international everywhere that you look on there. However, it's all executed with a French twist. Everything on their menu is halal, barring one item, which is cooked and prepared separately. They're halal certified also, which allows anyone to be able to eat here. However, they do serve alcohol. So come follow me as I delve into this international cuisine. Hello, welcome to the Junction. That is so flavorful.
So we provide you here an international cuisine. We want everybody who come here to think that they are traveling far away and they found like a home, like a second home in Bali. So basically our restaurant is very popular for brunch time, breakfast and lunch. And the most popular from our brunch menu will be our sandwiches.
So they've got a really large selection of drinks on their menu. Lots of them are juices. However, on their cocktails menu, you can ask for virgin drinks or mocktails, which is the alcoholic drink without the alcohol. So here, I've got a peach mojito. Oh, that's lovely. Zingy, fruity, vibrant, minty, just how a mojito should be. Perfect. So Junction House's signature drink is a passion fruit daiquiri, and this one, of course, is a virgin kind. Wow, that is so fruity and so tangy and flavorful. Literally, my mouth just feels like it's in the Caribbean or something. It's amazing. It looks really creamy, but it doesn't taste creamy at all. It's just really fresh and vibrant. Almost like a sorbet. This is amazing. Palate cleanser. Here we have a tuna tartare, which is chunks of tuna that's been mixed with miso, ginger, small shallots. There are oranges, lemons, some avocado puree here and some wasabi on the side. So you literally just go in. That's very lemony and very creamy. You can really taste a lot of Asian inspired flavors in that from the ginger. I can taste some soy. I've got some vibrant freshness of some citrus fruits. That's very nice. And what I really like is you get a creaminess from that miso. That's very smart. I would give this a 3 out of 5. So here we have a Thai beef crown salad. So some sauteed beef, which is cold, some salad, a bit of paprika, coriander, a lovely crown of this mango on the outside, and garnished with some peanuts. First of all, this mango, I didn't expect it to be so ripe and so sweet. It is juicy. The meat itself is cold and a little tiny bit overcooked for my liking, and a little bit dry. However, the juice from the mango really does help. I would have liked this dish to have some more finesse. I would have loved for the beef to be cooked and be a little bit more tender and less dry. The flavors are on point and that mango is super juicy. So all in all, I would give this dish a 2.8 out of 5. So here we have a confit chicken pasta. So it's penne pasta in a creamy sauce with confit chicken, some asparagus, mushroom and some mozzarella cheese on top. I'm gonna go with the chicken first. because confit is a very particular way of cooking chicken in its own fat for hours and hours, which makes the chicken really tender. So let's see how that tastes first. The chicken does taste a bit more tender, still on the dry side. Let's go in with a bite of everything. I'm not blown away by this dish at all. On first instance, it says creamy sauce, however, there is no actual cream. And also, the pasta pieces have a gloss on there, which means that there was a sauce, however it's been reheated a few times, that the sauce has almost disappeared. The chicken, although it says confit, is a bit dry for my liking, and there isn't really much flavour. I am trying to find some positives for this dish, but unfortunately I'm unable to find them, and giving my honest review, I would have to give this a 2 out of 5. So here we have Chicken Rica Rica, which is sauteed chicken in a mandolese sauce, served with rice that's been grilled in banana leaves. So I'm going to try the chicken by itself. That is so flavorful. I had to go in with just a bit of the sauce so I could really dissect that. You get kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass, onion, garlic, ginger. It's a little bit tangy, and then you get tomato and earthiness. Oh, I'm not too sure how to do this. Bismillah. That is so complex in flavour. So you've got this rice which has been grilled, and it's almost like the rice from the bottom of the pan. Persians eat this a lot. Some people really value that taste. The rice goes a little bit nutty, a bit crispy. It changes in texture and flavour. That added to this chicken has given me such an explosion of flavour in my mouth. Nothing like I've ever tasted before. It is divine. This was a very lovely and unique dish. Not something that I've ever tried before. I would give this dish a 4.2 out of 5. In terms of flavour and complexity, definitely up there. So here we have some fried dumplings, which has been filled with prawn and chicken. It was served with a sweet and sour sauce, but it was made out of ketchup, which I don't eat, so I switched it for some soy sauce instead. This filling is very nice. Chicken, prawn with a bit of vegetables, encased in a almost thick dumpling wrapper. When I just tried it with the soy sauce, it was a little bit too salty for me, so I'm going to try without. This is lovely. However, the wrapper is a little bit too thick and hasn't been cooked properly, even though it's been fried, which is giving it quite a doughy texture in my mouth. The filling, lovely. The wrapper, not so much. Overall, I would rate these dumplings a 3 out of 5. The filling is lovely, and there's a lot of it too. They didn't scrimp on that. So here we have Junction House's signature French crepes, and inside it's filled with cashew nut Nutella, and it's served with vanilla ice cream. So I'm gonna go in from the middle. I have high expectations because the French are known for their crepes and their patisseries. Before I taste it though, I've just noticed, I actually thought that the Nutella was made with cashew butter. However, it's actually large pieces. So, it's not something I was expecting, but let's give it a go anyway. Bit of ice cream. Bismillah. That's a lovely crepe. Can't argue with that. It's doughy, elasticy in the right places, just the right amount of sweet, just the right amount of savoury. Fantastic. And even these large pieces of cashew don't taste bad at all. Actually, I would rate this a 4 out of 5.